Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza for Ayaka. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add 3/4 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough on a floured surface for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rise in a warm place for 60 minutes. While your dough rises, prepare your toppings. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the rolled-out dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese generously over the sauce. Now for the fun part. Add Ayaka's favorite toppings. Consider classic pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, or colorful bell peppers for a delicious combination. Once your pizza is assembled, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature ensures a crispy crust. Carefully transfer your topped pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or a baking sheet. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. After a brief 5-minute cooling period, slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces. This allows the cheese to set and prevents burns. Serve it immediately to enjoy the fresh, warm flavors of your homemade creation. Ayaka will surely appreciate this delicious meal made with care. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.